Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech unboxing, tech review, tech features. At for today, we are going to unbox and feature itong Logitech keyboard. Actually, matagal ko itong tinitignan to eh. So we got here the Logitech MX Keys Mini, which you can use sa inyong laptop or other computer, no? Kung meron kayong mga magagandang setup like the extended monitor, for example, or you can bring it anywhere na rin din. Para nung una, bala ko ilagay sa laptop ko, no? Habang naka, second monitor ako, no? Para at least I can switch to multiple devices. Pwede ko rin siyang gamitin din for my phones and for my tablet. So, this is from Logitech. So, if you are watching this video and you are interested to buy this, you can click yung aking tag product here sa aking YouTube at meron tayong YouTube shopping. You can buy it directly sa link na ito at it will go straight to the YouTube, to the Shopee link. We can shop and also support my vlogging sa YouTube. I can earn some commission na rin din. So, ayun, before I unbox this, mag-tech rundown muna tayo. Basahin ko yung mga tech specs para maintindihan natin ano ba yung tech specs nito at features ni Logitech MX Keys Mini. Alright, from Logitech Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Logitech MX Keys Mini. For the power and connect feature, gumagamit siya ng Bluetooth Low Energy Technology, which is, ito yung subok ko na. And any Logitech, kumbaga, input, no, mga hardware input, like the mouse, for example, can last a year, for example, no, for their battery, no. Pero syempre siya, kahit meron kang receiver na nilalagay, it can help conserve battery. Hindi siya malakas sa battery. Kaya gusto ko talaga yung Bluetooth Low Energy nila na technology. At meron siyang easy switch features dahil itong MX Keys Mini can connect up to 3 devices at pwede ka pang mag-switch. For example, you have a laptop, a tablet, or a phone, you can Bluetooth pair yung tatlong devices na doon at meron pang switch doon sa keyboard kung ano ba yung gusto mong i-control or mag-type ka doon sa mga devices. Kaya maganda yung feature to. Yung gusto ko i-try natin mamaya yan. At meron siyang 10 meters wireless range, so mahaba-haba din yung 10 meters niya, no? At meron siyang hand proximity sensor-activated backlighting. So may siyang ilaw, may backlighting siya. So I think you can turn it off na rin din siguro to, no? Kung meron siyang sensor-activated backlighting, which is a good effect na rin din for your keyboard. At meron siyang auto-adjust ambient light sensor. At meron siyang USB-C quick charging feature. Uy, mabilis siya mag-charge siya. And for the battery specs, gumagamit siya ng 1,500 mAh battery that can last up to 10 days or 5 months with backlighting off. 10 days, pag may nakailaw, 10 days siya. Pero pag naka-off, 5 months yung ikakatagal ng inyong keyboard. Uy, magandang feature to. Ayun na nga, meron siyang on and off power switch. I think ito yung power ng keyboard. Syempre, kung siyang iiwang naka-on, maubos battery. Syempre, kailangan natin ng on and off power switch. At meron siyang caps lock and battery indicator lights. Syempre, caps lock, kailangan natin yan. And also, battery indicator lights, kailangan din lang ito para ma-check natin fully charged ba siya or low bat. At itong Logitech MX Keys Mini is compatible with Logitech Flow Technology-enabled mouse. At supported siya ng apps na Logi Options Plus on Windows and Mac OS. I think the Logi Options Plus app sa Windows, for example, as in using Windows ako I think you can customize yata. You can tinker some of the settings ng keyboard based on ano yung kinakailangan nyo. For typing or for gaming, pwede rin. Dimensions, height niya is 131.95mm. Yung width niya is 295.99mm. Depth niya is 20.97. Manipis pala to, 20.97mm. At ang kanyang weight is 506.4 grams. So parang lumalabas dalawang foldable phone, for example, For the parts, ito yung maganda rito sa parts ni Logitech, for the MX Keys Mini, it is a recyclable. Galing siya sa recycled materials. So yung plastic parts are made from certified post-consumer recycled plastic that can help to reduce our carbon footprint. Yun yung ginagawa ni Logitech, talagang nakakatulong sa nature. Also, nire-recycle nila, nire-reuse yung mga plastic na dinodispose sa kanila at ginagawang new hardware, for example, the graphite plastic na ginamit, 30% recycled materials. And For the rose plastic naman is 12% recycled materials. For the pale gray plastic, 12% recycled materials. So gumagamit pala talaga sila ng gano'n, no? Nare-recycle talaga nila, no? So meron siyang natawag na low carbon aluminum. The aluminum in MX Keys Mini Scissor plate is made with renewable energy rather than fossil fuels for a low carbon impact. Wow! Hindi nitong ginagawang sustainable effort ni Logitech. All are, renewable energy rather than fossil daw, tapos recycled plastic, no? For the body color naman ni Logitech MX Keys Mini, meron siyang tatlong color, graphite, rose, at pale gray na color, no? At for the SRP, for my link below, no, for the graphite color is 6,499. For the rose is 6,071 pesos. So medyo mababa si rose. For the pale gray, wala lang, hindi ko naman makita sa Shopee, pero but still, if you want to try it, get the graphite kasi yun yung pinakamaganda. And I got the color. I got the graphite. Graphite. Ito pinakang one of the color favorite ng mga users. So we're going to unbox it. So ayun na, at discuss ko na yung tech specs ni Logitech MX Keys Mini, and try natin to now na. Pero unbox muna natin, tapos doon mag-testing tayo. Alright, unbox na natin. Let's do this. Alright, ito na yung makukuha nyo pag bumili kayo. You can get the keyboard, the MX Minis, at USB cable. Meron siya. Some paperwork like the promotional nila, ek. Okay, iba-iba yung language. So, mga information lang. And also the manual. Meron siya. So, basahin natin yung manual muna before we move in. Baka may mga information tayo ito na ma-miss. But it's Bluetooth connection, no? So ayun, balikan ko kayo. So medyo low-bat siya, no? Ino-on ko kasi to, hindi siya umiilaw. But nung kinabit ko sa aking USB cable, for example, no, sa charging ko siya, nakakabit ko siya dito. Ayan. So nakailaw yung yellow. So minsan charging siya, no? Pag in-on ko na, ayan, umilaw na ngayon siya. At still want to connect sa device. So gawin natin, no, saksak ko muna siya habang hindi pa siya naka-Bluetooth, and later on we will connect via Bluetooth, no, para matest agad natin yung keyboard. Alright. Okay, meron ako ditong maliit na laptop, no. This is my laptop, my small laptop. At ito yung ating Logitech MX Keys Mini. So gawin natin, naka-charge muna siya. Actually, I'm charging it using a power bank kaya from Solar para at least ma-power up muna natin siya, no. So turn on ko na muna to, and it will be searching a Bluetooth. Actually, isang laptop ko no nag-alert, no, it wants to connect via Bluetooth. So gawin ko, since kunyari may battery siya, no, I'll go to my Bluetooth, search natin dito, Bluetooth devices, at let's go to Bluetooth is turned off. So i-on natin siya, tapos let's click add device. Ayan na, nagko-connect na siya. New MX Keys Mini is found. So, connect na natin siya. Failed to connect. Bakit failed to connect? I guess I need to press the button muna, no? Alright. Go to settings. So, I need to click here, add a device, MX Keys Minis, connecting, enter this pin code. So, meron siyang code, no? So, I'll type 534559. Tama ba yun? So, nangyari? It's still connecting, no? Naglagay na ako ng pin code. at connecting. Paano yun? Enter. So, I guess may nagagawa tayong mali, no? Ayun, connected na. It's connected na. So, ayun na. Battery is low, sabi na sa aking Windows. So since naka, ano naman tayo, charge naman tayo using my power bank. At least maano natin to, matetesting natin. So, test natin yung keyboard niya kung kumusta. So, close ko na muna to and punta tayo sa apps na Notepad. Kasi usually, I'm a Notepad guy eh. So, try natin. No? So, ito na siya. Alright. So, try natin. Hi. Uy, grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. I really like the feel of the keyboard, no? Uy, okay ito ah. So, my name is Asiel. This is a vlog test using the Logitech MX Keys Mini. Uy, ang ganda! So, parang, kumbaga, yung size ng aking laptop. This is a, parang netbook eh. So, yung style niya is parang ganito din. Pero, mas bouncy yung keyboard niya. Mas gusto ko yung feel. For example, siguro mag-vlog post tayo. No? Need to go to my blog. For example. Nakita yung TikTok code ko. Let's go to my blog. Kunyari magbablog ako And here we go. Ibang ano pa to, ibang vlog pa yun. Robot Pilipinas pa yung lumalabas. Heto na. So, kunyari magbablog ako. So, lagay ako dito. Blogging test. Tapos, punta ako dito. So, wala pa tayong mouse eh. Mamaya, i-prepare natin yan next time. With the complete ecosystem, no? So, type tayo, magbablog ako kunyari. So, this is a blogging test using the new Logitech MX Keys Mini. Mali pa yung spelling ko ng MX Keys Mini. Oh my God, ang ganda, ang sarap mag-type. Very bouncy nung keyboard niya, no? So, since we are connected on my laptop, try naman natin mag-connect with another device. For example, my Honor foldable phone. So, I think i-pair natin to, no? I-pair natin siya. I-on ko yung aking Bluetooth at siguro dito let's try to connect the Logitech MX Keys Minis using my phone. So, paano ba to, no? Paano ba siya i-connect ba siya? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko gagawa siya na connect. I think I need to read the manual muna. Wait lang. Alright, now, nakuha ko na, no? So, ang style pala nito, no, to activate the other switch, you need to press it for 3 seconds. For example, ito, nag-connect na yung number 1 ko sa aking laptop, for example. And I need to connect this keyboard to my foldable phone. So, gagawin ko, I'll press number 2 for 3 seconds para mag-activate siya. Nagbiblink na ngayon siya. So, it means that lilipat na siya dito. Yung sa laptop ko, disabled na. So, punta ako dito. Ayan, nalagay. MX Key Mini. So, okay. Kailangan ko na i-input yung code 041649. Enter. So, magko-connect na rin din siya. Antayin natin. Ayun, nag-connect na. So, nag-connect na yung aking foldable phone dito. So, let's go to my, magta-type tayo. Saan tayo pwede mag-type? Wait lang. Ayan. I'm now here using my foldable phone. No? So, dito siya. So, naka-connect na siya ngayon. No? Naka-connect na siya ngayon. So, type tayo. Uy, gumagana. Uy, grabe. Oh my God, ang sarap gumamit nito. So, I can now bring this anywhere. At kahit di na ako magdala ng laptop, kahit foldable phone ko na lang, gumagana siya. Ayan, no? And if ever I want to switch to my laptop, I'll press 3 seconds dun sa number 1. Try natin. Number 1, automatic connect na siya. So, makakapag-type na ako sa Notepad. Ayan, no? Ayaw mag-connect. Taka lang muna. So, kailangan ko pang mag-ano pa lang muna, click connect, and it's now connected. Meron pa pang enter pin. 540. Ano ba yun? Ba't palang kailangan pa mag-enter ng pin? Nakakonect na ako nung una. So, I guess bakit ganun siya, no? So, nag-connect na ako. Fail to connect. Bakit? Go to settings. Check nga natin anong problema nito. Na-off. Not connected. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dahil nakakonect ba ako sa aking ayan, connected na. Okay, kasi naka-turn off ko na rin din pala siya. So, it's very easy. Ayan, naka-connect na siya. Ay, gumana. Ba't ganun? I'm connected. Bakit ganun? So, kailangan pa natin naman konting troubleshooting to, no? To understand its behavior, kung bakit ganun siya. Pero naka-connect na ako. Okay. Ay, Miss Kinis not connected. Ba't ganun? So, click naman ako. Ayun, connected na. So I need to press it again pala. D button para mag-connect. Ayun, connected na ako. Kasi nagbi-blink, so kailangan ko siyang i-press. Kasi gumagana na ngayon siya, gumagana. So ngayon, kung gusto ko siyang ilipat sa aking kabilang foldable phone, press ko yung number 2, blink, at click, and it will, disable na yung laptop, na-disable na siya. So click ko to, ayan. Nag-steady na yung click, yung ilaw, and then, ayan na. I can type it. Yung galing, ang galing nito, grabe, ang galing. So, kung lilipat ako sa laptop, press ko yung number 1, 3 seconds, and antayin ko siyang umilaw. So, dito is, click connect sa laptop, kailangan mag-ilaw to. Ayan, okay na siya. So, may pin na naman. Bayan, palagi may pin. Masyadong mano yung security nito, So, okay na. So, ganun. Pero at least, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta in any buttons, no? So, gumagana na ba to? Ayun, gumagana na. Oh, grabe! Very impressed with this, this new feature ni Logitech MX Keys Mini, no? So, if you're interested, that's, tama-tama 11/11 ngayon sa Shopee. At baka lamang naka-sale to, no? Just click the tag product below ng aking YouTube channel, itong YouTube video, no? Para at least, you get a good deal with it. Alright, so that's it for our test. I'm very happy. Medyo pasensya na, no? Sinaksak ko na muna kasi lowbat, but nakakonect naman tayo via Bluetooth naman din. So, ayun, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you so much, Logitech. At kita-kits tayo sa next video. Alright.